Tell you a story about one of us. Come on, we mustn't be late. Keep together, kids. Don't get lost. It's going to be a busy day. Ready? Yes, sir. Come on, let's go, Dad. Come on. Perhaps you'll talk about us.
The bear stories are always so interesting. Interesting like us.
Where is he? I bet he stopped to eat some honey in the bees chapter. We all know how greedy he is.
I want the kids to learn about predators. He's coming.
Quit that jumping!
I see you're all here. Well, today the great book of nature is open at another chapter. You're going to learn all about the winged horse.
At last! This is the Valley of the Roe Deer.
Who are you, son? Where do you come from?
I'm from Sounding Rocks, the second son of the Guardian. I ask your permission to ride the horse with fiery hooves up to Mount Kuryong.
I'm afraid it's too late to start now. It's already dark and the road is beset with dangers. And then for you to succeed in your quest, you must pick the magic flower that grows on Mount Luna only during a full moon, which is still 4 days away. However, if you so desire, my son, you can use that time to make the acquaintance of the horse with the fiery hooves. Here he comes now.
He's magnificent!
No, you must not go yet, young man. There is much I still have to tell you.
I see a stream down there, and I'm thirsty. It's as wide as an ocean. Yeah-ha! Yeah! I know you can make it. I know you can.
The Guardian's second son, while possessed of great bravery, had been a bit foolhardy, not waiting to hear the words of wisdom from the old sage, while the winged horse with the hooves of flame seemed eager to go on. The young man could barely stand on his feet.
I want to reach the village of Sounding Rocks before sunset.
Aye, sir.
What is it, boy? Getting too late for you? You want your supper. What is it? Huh? Pirates! We have to sound the alarm!
Destroy them all!
Pirate's grandmother! Huh? Hide! Don't let them get you, Granny, please! You're too late! The pirate killed Grandmother! She's over there!
Oh no! Speak to us! Speak to us! You mustn't die! Speak to us, please, Grandmother!
It's you. Is your brother back yet? I hope he brings back the magic cut.
You've come back empty-handed?
What happened?
He didn't bring back the new cudgel.
You were afraid to cross the river, and you abandoned the winged horse with the hooves of fire. You are a coward!
Think things over, old friend. If he gave up, it means the quest was impossible. He has never been a coward.
Pirate's mercy.
Don't give in to despair. We'll find a solution somehow. I know. I just can't imagine what it might be.
Father, allow me to try. I beg you.
You think you can succeed in an undertaking so arduous that your two older brothers have failed in it?
You have always taught us, Father, to cultivate our best qualities and put them at the service of the community. And that is what I'm proposing.
Is he accusing us of a lack of determination?
No, you are too young. I cannot let you go.
I think you should let him go.
I beg you, Father.
Oh,
I take a solemn oath that I will find the winged steed with hooves of fire and have him bear me to Mount Quirn and the magic flower, and then to find another magic cudgel.
Go then, son, and may the gods protect you.
I'll be back soon, I promise.
Hurry back quickly with the magic cudgel!
I'll leave the horse here. He'll never get me over those mountains anyway.
Welcome, my son.
Good day, sir. My respects. I am the third son of the Guardian of Sounding Rocks.
Ah, so it is your turn now. Didn't your two brothers tell you how difficult it is to bring this problem to its fruition, young lad?
I must succeed. I must defend our village from the pirates.
You are a courageous young fellow. I think it only right that you should have your chance to ride the winged horse with the flaming hooves.
Thank you, sir. He's magnificent, sir. I must depart immediately, sir, if I am to pick the magic flower before the full moon.
Of course, my son. Go, and may the gods guard your road.
Cross the sacred path!
We must try again!
He's trying again? Oh, it's just not worth the trouble.
The magic flower! At last! I mustn't spill any of the dew!
The peak of Mount Kurion, you will find a stone owl. Shake a few drops of dew from the magic flower over its head.
The key to the cavern!
me, my son. Please say something. Oh, my son.
He's back! Look! Hey!
Yay!
Father, here is the new magic cudgel. Now we'll all be safe again.
This is wonderful news, my son. Congratulations, you succeeded where the others failed.
Oh no, Father. It was the winged horse. It was all his doing, not mine.
The horse had to be ridden by a determined and courageous young man.
You're absolutely right, Father.
As a reward, from this day on, you are the new guardian of the Sounding Rocks.
Oh no, Father. My brothers are far more worthy of this honor than I.
This is yours, son. You've earned it.
I knew it! I knew you'd do it!
And from now on, my ceaseless vigilance will make sure that the pirates never attack our village again.
We don't have to worry with you here to protect us.
Now let's celebrate the new magic cudgel!
And from that moment on, no invader was ever able to harm the village, because the guardian of the Sounding Rocks was a brave and wise young man.
The Winged Horse. After all the real animals we've met in our great book of nature, we're going to meet a mythological one for a change. In people's imagination, real animals often live side by side with mysterious, legendary creatures that are almost always the fruit of human fantasy. Almost always, because in some cases, legend has become reality. For example, the okapi, a very shy miniature giraffe which lives in the depths of the African jungle, was captured for the first time in 1903, after always being considered a figment of the local people's imagination. There are, however, strictly imaginary creatures that appear often in mythology, like the chimera, the harpy, and the minotaur. Now let's take a look at the animal in the story we've just watched, the winged horse. This creature appears in several different mythologies. For example, the Greeks know it as Pegasus, while for the Indians it's Dadikra, symbol of the sun and as fast as an eagle. Pegasus was a fantastic flying horse with plumed wings. For a certain period it was used by the god Zeus to pull his chariot of thunder. Then it was captured by Bellerophon, who tamed it and rode it first to victory against the Chimera, part lion, part goat, and part snake, and then to fight the Amazons. Many legends recount that Pegasus could make water spring from the earth by kicking the ground. Another famous winged horse was the hippogriff, a sacred magical horse which is cited in Eastern mythology. It's only right that we conclude our long journey through the animal kingdom with this consideration. Just as ancient peoples placed animals among the gods by including them in their mythology, we, in the modern world, must improve our knowledge of all living creatures and respect them without exception.
Well, have you all learned a lesson? The moral of the story is that it's good to train your muscles, but it's even better to train your brain. Oh, look who's coming!